everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make a ponytail and then make a bun out of it as shown in the video, and then take the remaining hairs out of it. Now attach it very nicely as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and make the braids out of it, attach it, and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it, and then start making the braids out of it while taking the smaller sections of the remaining hairs. Braid it very nicely till the end and then tie it, and it's done. For the next one, take the portions of your hairs and then tie it as shown in the video. Now take the each section and then pull it inside out as it will start looking like this. Now tie it all together and make a bun out of it as shown in the video, and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it into two parts and then pull it inside out each part as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs as shown in the video and then tie it. It's done. For this one, take the sections of your hair, tie it. Now take the remaining hairs and start making the braids out of it very nicely as it will look like this. Once you are complete with it, roll it up and then it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the process with the remaining sections of your hairs and then take the remaining hairs and start making the braids out of it as shown in the video, all upside down. Once you are complete with it, tie it with the help of a rubber band and then roll it up into the bun, and it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair and then divide it into two parts. Now start making the braids out of it, roll it up and tie it with the help of a hair clip. Now do it as shown in the video, it will look like this, and then take the remaining hairs and make two braids out of it, attach it, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the middle portion of your hair, divide it into two parts and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then do the exact same process we have done earlier. Then repeat it all and it's all done. Thanks for watching.